Good morning guys. In this video, we will talk you through how to create a powerful LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is your modern day business card. This is the first place where your customers and prospects go to get to know you. So to make the best impression, on first impression, optimize your LinkedIn profile in a way that attracts and appeals to your customers. Let's get started.
Let's start off with the profile picture. Did you know that the right profile picture can lead up to 9 times more connection requests? That's why you need to choose a professional photo where people can recognize you. Choose photos where you're in formals with a white or grey background. We understand that you might look stunning in the picture from your beach vacation, but we suggest you reserve those photos for your friends on Facebook or Instagram. Let's move on to the cover photo now. This is a great opportunity for you to be creative and showcase what you're passionate about. I believe that everyone should work towards doing something great. That's why I have this as my cover photo. We recommend that you keep this professional as well. If you have a patent and you want to show off the certificate, you can go ahead. Let's go on to your designation now. Make sure that your designation and industry are correct, as this will help you connect with the right jobs, content and groups that you might be interested in. Also, don't forget about setting a location. Setting a location increases your chances of being discovered by alumni, recruiters, former colleagues and others by 23 times. Now let's jump on over to the summary section. Summary is prime real estate for your professional brand. It's the one place where you can creatively tell your professional journey in your own words. Adding a summary section also increases your chances of showing up on LinkedIn and Google search. You need to keep in mind the following things while writing a summary. Stick to short paragraphs, 3 to 5 at max. Also, you should lose the normal jargon. Stay away from buzzwords and empty phrases such as motivated and driven. They are overused and they lose their significance. Cross-check your summary with the most overused buzzwords on LinkedIn and be creative with the alternatives. Try to be conversational and add a bit of humor. This will help you stand out from the rest of the crowd. Try to add rich media if you want to, a video, a link to a SlideShare presentation or to an article that you've written. Finally, after you've written your summary, check and recheck. Ask a friend for their opinion before posting it and taking it live. Experiences is an important part of any LinkedIn profile. It highlights your unique career path that you've taken to be who you are today. That's why being able to showcase your individual professional journey is a great way to stand out to potential new connections, customers and recruiters. In fact, your profile is viewed up to 20 times more if you have more than one position listed in the experience section. When you're updating the section, remember to showcase all your past experiences, not just your 9-to-5 jobs that you've held. It should include freelance work, side hustles, volunteer time and one-off projects. If you held multiple positions in the single organization, it can be good to include all of them in the section as well, drawing attention to your company tenure, new responsibilities and major achievements. Now let's jump on over to the education section. Your education says a lot about you, especially to potential employers and to former schoolmates who are looking to reconnect with you. Although you could theoretically update the section with information on your preschool or kindergarten, most people start with high school or undergraduate college. You should also list any vocational education, certification courses, and any other stint at an educational institution that matters to your career or personal direction. If you regularly give back to your community by volunteering, you should capture that experience in this section. Now let's jump on over to the skills section. In today's quickly changing workforce, staying on top of your skills and showing what you know matters more than ever. Why does listing your skill matter, you ask? Having at least 5 skills on your profile gets you up to 17 times more profile views and up to 31 times more messages from recruiters and others who can help you get ahead. Your skills have been categorized into 4 key areas: industry knowledge, tools and technologies, interpersonal skills and other skills, making it easier for others to see what you're skilled in. You can reorder the skill in each category and pin new top skills by clicking on the pencil icon on the skills in the endorsement sections of your profile. This little number that you see here are the endorsements from my colleagues on my skills. Once you list your skills, request your colleagues to endorse certain skills, as this builds credibility. Recommendation. A recommendation is a vote of confidence by a colleague to recognize your work and contribution to the company or team. If you were a company, this would be the customer testimonial section, and by that you should know that this is super important. You can request a recommendation from a colleague by clicking on the button here. You will be notified once the person accepts and writes a recommendation. You will have to accept the recommendation to display it on your profile. Hiring managers and people in general searching for new customers and business partners prefer to work with people who come recommended by someone they know and trust. Now let's move on over to accomplishments. If you received a certification in your field of work, completed any courses, or received an award, this is the section where you would want to add them. Adding to the section is a great way to round out a profile beyond your skills and experience. Small updates can lead to big opportunities, like finding a new job or meeting other people who share your definition of success. So take a moment to update your profile today. Now that you've made a LinkedIn profile that attracts prospects and customers, it's time to turn into a social selling ninja and crush your sales targets. Download the definitive guide to social selling today to learn how to leverage social media to attract and convert more customers.